Good morning, everyone. Now, before we get started today, we wanted to show you an amazing setup done by MotoCamp for a nursing home in Barrie. Be sure to tune in later as we show you what they did for the Bob Grumbaugh Nursing Home. Okay, let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about cleaning and detailing the interior of your vehicle. So your car looked great when you drove it off the lot, but then life happened. So how do you get it back to looking great again? Here's a few things to consider. Starting with the floor and working your way out is the best way to go about the process. Remove your floor mats and vacuum up the dirt and debris throughout the vehicle. Make sure to move the seats around to get to those hard-to-reach areas. Carpet shampoo can help with tough stains. Vacuum with a wet-dry vacuum when you're done scrubbing and make sure to get into the creases of the seats. Then wipe all of the hard surfaces with an automotive wipe or product such as Honda leather and vinyl cleaner with a microfiber cloth. A top trick is to use an old toothbrush to clean the air vents. This will help your car smell better too. After you're done cleaning, use a product such as Honda leather and vinyl protectant in order to give the hard surfaces a nice finish that will last. Finally, put the mats back in and you're done. Okay, let's move on to trivia. Today you'll be playing for a Honda travel mug as well as the first aid kit. Question: in what year did Honda produce the legendary CB754? Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and remember to check back later today as we look at what Lino Zecca and the Grumbaugh Nursing Home have come up with to adapt to the circumstances of this pandemic. See you tomorrow.